Alright, so let's say this rope is some tippet, and this paint can opener is your first fly, or bottom fly. I'm going to tie a Palomar knot, just for the sake of this video. And instead of tying a fly onto the end of your first fly, we're going to tie a fly further up the line. That way there's no chance of it slipping off the bottom of the hook if you don't run it through the eye of the fly. If you're fishing with barbless hooks, you've lost a lot of dropper flies that way. Okay, so further up the line, we're going to add a second fly. Do another Palomar knot. And if you wanted to, you could add a third fly further up the line from this dropper fly, so you'd have two droppers and a regular fly. Alright, get that all cinched up nice and tight, and now you've got a dropper fly above your first fly. Just gotta clip the tag, and well, that's all there is to it. Happy fishing. See you.